Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, if you watch our previous video for the Colmi P71 Smartwatch, okay, we show you the specs and the design of the Colmi P71 Smartwatch. Okay, so this time we are going to check on the offered features of this new smartwatch from Colmi. Okay, here on the box we have some features here. The call function, I don't know if this is Bluetooth call or just call notification. We have the calorie, heart rate, sleep monitor, sports mode, weather notifications, and shutter. Okay, so we are going to check on that. Okay, we are going to have a walkthrough of the menus and features of the Colmi P71. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Again, as you can see here, we do have an IPS LCD screen. Okay, with a, as you can see, obviously it's a bit thick when it comes to the black border. Okay, here on the bottom part. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features of this wearable. Okay, let's focus on the smartwatch. Okay, swiping from top to bottom, we have, okay, the quick settings. Okay, we have the power off, the brightness display here. We also have the battery status here, sleep mode, I think, and for the call here. Okay, on the right side we have the menu, or I mean the left side we have the menu. On the right side we have the access to the main features here. Okay, we have the cards. Okay, so you can add again. Let's try. Where's that? Okay, so you can add and remove. Let's add the music control +1. Okay, so let's see. Okay, do we have it here? Okay, connect the app. So we have the music control on the bottom part. Okay, there's no other button for the return. This one, you can use this one. Is it rotating function? Oh no. On the bottom part we have the quick notifications. Okay, here long press. Let's see if we can change the watch face. Yes, you can change it. So we have several watch faces here. Let's go to the default one. So this is the default watch face. Okay, again on the left side we have the main menus. We have the sports record, today's data. We have telephone. What's the telephone here? Open. In phone Bluetooth settings, calling feature. Okay, I'm not sure if this is a Bluetooth call or not. Anyway, we are going to check on that. We have the voice assistant, heart rate, sleep. Okay, blood oxygen. We have, what's this one? Oh, it's a blood pressure monitoring. We also have, we have the Zen mode. Maybe, I don't know if what is the Zen mode. Maybe it's meditation mode. We have an alarm, weather, flashlight, timer, stopwatch, calculator. We have a camera here. We have games, whack-a-mole, only one game. Okay, we have the message notifications. We have the music control. We have female health and the settings. So we have preferences. Okay, so there's a lot of options for the preferences here. Component editing. Okay, again, let's go back. We have the sound dial settings. So that is the watch face. We have the sound settings here. Find my phone, brightness mode. We also have the QR code, the language option. Okay, so we have several languages here. Power off, factory reset, and the system. Okay, so this is P71. What else? Let's check. Do we have the settings for the screen off? Race to wake. Also, that is the race to wake. Okay, I'm pretty curious if we do have the option for the backlight time. Brightness mode, component, bright screen, do not disturb, time format. Okay, that's good. We do have a 12-hour format time. Okay, usually this is not available in other smartwatches, so seems like we don't have the display time here or backlight time. I don't see backlight time here, but anyway, we are going to pair it with the Smartwatch Support App and see maybe the option is there. Okay, if you know where it is, the location of the backlight time, okay, or the timer for the screen, okay, just drop a comment below. So let's see, we have here the time, we have the digital time and analog. Okay, so let's try to change this one. Let's see, settings, start factory. I think it's here in the preference, time format. Okay, so it supports 12-hour format time, no issues with it. Okay, so that's it for the menus. Okay, we forgot the sports, I think. Okay, before we end, sports function, we have walking, running, cycling, hiking, running, bike, skipping, so rowing machine, elliptical machine, yoga, basketball, volleyball, badminton, aerobics, we have kayaking, roller skating, we have tennis, football, golf, table tennis. We have a lot of sports here and other sports. Okay, so we have several categories here, as you can see: running, cycling, outdoor, indoor, dance, fight. This is, yeah, it includes wrestling, I think, and boxing. Ball sports such as basketball, football, water sports, snow sports. Okay, it has a comprehensive list of sports function. That's good. Okay, we also have here the heart rate monitoring. Okay, so you can check whether you are wearing the smartwatch or not. The same with the blood oxygen monitor. Okay, so the same with the blood pressure. Okay, so far it has a very good list of features or different functions. Okay, and it has a very comprehensive list of sports function. So this is your Colmi P71 Smartwatch. I'm impressed with the offered features despite its very affordable price and simple design here. The smartwatch is loaded with new and advanced features. So again, if you have any questions regarding this video demo for the menus and features of the Colmi P71, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.